Hello family and friends, welcome to the video on secrets of Adenium Seeds. I have been growing adenium plants in my rooftop garden for the past 8 to 10 years. In this video, I will share the secrets of harvesting adenium seeds from the mother plant. Adenium plants can be grown in your balcony or in your terrace garden. People love this plant for the beauty of the colorful flowers and huge bonsai roots. This plant can be grown very easily from the seed. If you are going to maintain this reasonably well, they live for very long life. I have seen plants which are almost 25 to 30 years old. Based on my knowledge and experience, I will be sharing 7 secrets of harvesting adenium seeds. The plant should be healthy and should be minimum 4 to 5 years old. Let us see each one of these points with a live demo. First one, how to save the seeds from flying away when the seed source bursts from the plant. You can see the seed source in the video. Inside that you have about 50 to 100 seeds which you can harvest and grow it in your garden. I use the twister cable which you can also buy it from the market. Avoid touching these seeds with your hands. Roll the twister cable with a pen or a pencil and sleeve that twister onto the seed. It should be loose but should not fall from the seeds. This will ensure the seeds are secured and avoid flying away of the seeds. Secrets on how to identify healthy seeds. In a plant, you can see different size of the seeds, different colors of the seeds, and some of them long, some of them twisted, and so forth. Healthy seeds are normally long and are from the plant's age greater than 3 to 4 years. Healthy seeds reach a reddish brown color before it can crack and ready to burst. Unhealthy seeds, they dry off very early before they mature. Normally, the size of these unhealthy seeds are very thin. Also, you can see in the video some of the seeds roll up into a short size very early as they start growing. These seeds will not mature and the seeds inside that seeds source will not be good. So it is best option is to cut them off very early so that other seeds can grow properly. The next one you see in the video is the seed has burst, looks good but spoiled inside the plant. These seeds are not flying away. These seeds will not germinate when you plant them. Only if the seeds are trying to fly away, only then they are good seeds. In this plant you can see 4 seed source, and also the branch is too long and it is not able to hold the seed source properly. They are drooping. This is also a clear symptom that these seeds are not healthy, and maybe one seed source may mature and others will dry off. Next one is when to harvest the seed. you can see the color of the seed source has changed, and you can also see the line, a thin line in the seed source. In the thin line only the seed will crack and open up. This is a very healthy seed. What you see, as the seed source open up, tie the twister cable to save the seed from flying away. You can harvest this seed after 2 or 3 days when the seed starts cracking and bursting. This you see is the same seed which I have harvested after few days, and how it looks. Storing the seeds. This is a very important activity which you should take care. The seeds need lot of space. It should not be crushed or cramped or smudged and put in a Ziploc kind of a plastic cover. You should store them in a cardboard carton box with lot of free space so that the seeds can move around. I have a terrace room where you can see the seeds flying around. This is a very important question a lot of people ask. There are seeds with fins and without fins. What you get in the market is normally without fins. You can also buy them online. I prefer to use seeds with fins for germinating, as I feel touching the seeds with hands to cut the fins may damage the seeds and spoil the germination process. How old the seed should be? The seeds should be new for better germination. They should not be more than 3 to 6 months old. What you see are 1-year-old seeds. The color of the seed has changed. They have absorbed the moisture from the atmosphere and they may not germinate. The success rate of germination is between 5 to 15% or maybe 20%. The seed you see now are 18 months old and the color has changed to a kind of a blackish and light white. So these seeds also may not germinate. This is my collection of adenium samplings which are about 30 days old. Success rate of germinating these from the seed are about 60 to 80%. I use seeds with fins. Also notice all the plants are very healthy and colorful green. See you in my next video where I will share secrets of germinating from the seed. Thank you. Bye.